Zenith, and you guys are welcome to another wonderful video today. This one is another mining stroke airdrop. So they want you to mine, and at the same time it's an airdrop. All right, so this one is called Bondex. Originally you can check their website and see what this is all about. You can it's like a Fiverr, but they want you to they're going to be paying you in Bondex token. So it's where they give credit for work, where they give credit for talent and skill, where you can actually work and get paid for. That's everything about Bondex, but you can check out the website, link in the description, and you can learn one or two things about this website. So is it legit? How long is it going to last? I really don't know, but stuff like this always usually lasts 3 months. Then if it passes 3 months, then it's going to last for another 6 months. Then if it lasts for 6 months, it's going to last for the next 1 year. So but whatever it is, we're not depositing, it's just free. So what you just have to do is to download the app and click on it. So if it becomes something good tomorrow, then you can take advantage of it. But if it turns out to be bullshit, then why not? You can just delete the app. It's just like Pi and Eagle, every other we've seen Pi, we've seen Eagle, just like every other website out there that wants you to mine while they are working on the background to make the coin something possible. So quickly, you need to use the referral code. You need to use the if you don't use the referral code, I'm going to put the referral code so you can copy it easy. So you need to use the referral code. If you don't use the referral code, your mining boosting will be very small. So I just started mine. You can see the time below, less than 20 minutes, and they have in about 0.0140. So that's about I think 0.007 PNDX every 2 seconds. So but if you do not use the referral, it's going to be slow. And same way, you need to upload your resume. You need to upload your resume right here, so you can actually in fast. What I mean by resume, like a little information about yourself. So just like this one, you can do it on your notepad or something like this and screenshot it. Then you can upload. So you need your name, your date of birth, your country, and if you are a male or female. And also, after that, you can also invite friends if you want to invite. You can check your profile. Alright, you can type username and all of that. You can set your username. This one is also valid. It's also important, so you can get you can start using the app from here. Also, you can invite friends. You can see I've invited nobody, so I'm going to put the link in the description so you guys can invite your friends. I'm also going to put the Play Store link and also the Google also the Apple Play Store link. So this is all you need to know about this one, guys. When I withdraw, stuff like this has to take a lot of time. So when I withdraw, I'm going to make a video about how to withdraw. I think this is the first English video about Bondex on YouTube. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and if you have made it up to this video, up to this point in this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.